20 Bad Habits in English 1. Waking up late. 2. Sleeping too much. 3. Delaying work. 4. Spending too much time on mobile. 5. Watching too much TV. 6. Not following a daily routine. 7. Poor time management. 8. Eating junk food regularly. 9. Skipping breakfast. 10. Not doing exercise. 11. Nail biting. 12. Telling lies. 13. Speaking rudely. 14. Not respecting elders. 15. Not focusing on studies. 16. Overspending money. 17. Keeping things messy. 18. Ignoring responsibilities. 19. Using social media too much. 20. Not setting goals in life.